So how to pass the theory test at 2020. Hey guys, it's Huss here. I talk about lifestyle, grooming and fragrances. My goal of this channel, if you're new to the channel, is to help you guys become the best version of yourself. So basically through my journey, learn my mistakes and advice I've learned throughout the years. I want to help you guys become the best. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content. So a few weeks ago, I passed my theory test. And in order to take your driving lessons, you got to pass your theory test. So these are the 5 tips on how to pass your theory test in 2020. Number 1, revise as much as possible. So how to revise? Use the app, which I'll put a picture up now. The app helped me so many ways. It taught me so much stuff and I revise every day. If you revise something and put your mind into it, I guarantee you're gonna pass. So revise as much as possible. So what I did when it came to the theory test is that I revised the multiple choice first. After I completed all the questions, I done the mock test. So I practiced a lot of the mock test until I got full marks. After you do that, then do the same for hazard perception as well. Keep practicing it and keep doing the mock test for it. Number 2, ask your family or friends any of the questions to explain it to you. So as someone who comes from a big family, I got a lot of drivers in my family. And I asked them questions about what does this mean and how would you be able to handle this situation when you're driving. So for example, I asked my cousin I asked him what is tailgating and how would you approach a roundabout, a big roundabout. So guys, if you've got family or friends who drive, please ask them to explain it to you, the answers to you. You will get more knowledge because they experience as well. They know how to drive. They've been driving for a very long time. Number 3, take your time, reading the question. So it's like a real exam. You take your time. If you don't understand something, leave it, then go back to it. Because for me, when I was doing my test, there was questions I was so unsure about and I wanted to leave it. But then at the end, I came back at it. It took me a lot of time. I took a lot of time with it, the questions, and I guessed it. I thought, I felt in my heart that this is the right answer, this is the right answer. The questions I was not sure about. So read the questions carefully. There are questions that you will know. Read them carefully because you will get a lot of time. Number 4, be motivated but also have fun. When I was doing hazard perception on my phone and also on the test, I was having fun because it was like a game, but I was also taking it seriously as well. So guys, before you do the test in general and hazard perception, be motivated to learn more. Be motivated to have fun, but also take it seriously. So have fun when you're doing a hazard perception test, but also take it seriously. So that's number 4. Number 5, take a breather and have a positive mindset. So short story, when I went into test center, I have to admit, I was a bit nervous and I did feel anxious. And the lady who was, I think administrator, receptionist, she said to me, she asked me how I was. A very kind lady asked how I was and I said I was a bit nervous and just, chuckling and that. And she said to me, you should take a breather, breathe in and out very slowly. And, this is to help get rid of the nerves and also get out of your comfort zone because anxiety and nerves don't help you. You got to overcome it. Take a breather, meditate, pray. And trust me, guys, you will be all right in the test center. You will pass. And I believe you will pass your theory test if you take all these 5 tips. So guys, this is Huss here. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more content. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.